Look at my little Alyssa, so big. Eating her yogurt all by herself, huh? You're doing such a good job with your spoon. Mama is so proud. Look at that. You're doing so good. What a good bunny. You eat it all by yourself? You hungry? Are you all done? No?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.